Transform your static images into dynamic portals of information that instantly grab your visitors' attention. Let's dive into how you can create these interactive image marvels on your Squarespace website today. First, on your Squarespace page or post, click Edit. To enter your editing interface then, locate the icon to add a new block. From the available blocks, select the Image block. This will be the foundation for our interactive masterpiece. Upload or select the image you want to make interactive. This could be anything from a product photo to an informative diagram. With your image in place, it's time to make it active. Click on the image or the edit icon associated with it to bring up its settings. Look for the option labeled Annotations or Hotspots. This is where the magic happens. Click to add a new annotation point. You'll see your cursor transform, allowing you to place a clickable marker directly onto your image. Position this marker precisely where you want the interaction to occur. For example, you might click directly on a product feature you want to highlight. Now define what happens when someone clicks on this point. You can add a title, a detailed description, or even a link to another page on your site. Enter your engaging text here, explaining what this section of the image represents. Then, add a relevant link to send your visitors where they need to go. You can add multiple interactive points to a single image, creating a rich, layered experience for your audience. Experiment with different types of information and calls to action for each hotspot. Think about what would best guide your visitors through your content. Once you've added all your interactive elements, click Save or Done to apply your changes. And there you have it. Your image is now a dynamic, interactive element that actively engages your website visitors, making your content truly unforgettable.